How to make nappy waistband extenders. 2 pieces of brushed cotton so that it's nice and soft and smooth against the skin, the length of which is dictated by your child's cast, and the length of the cast needs to be long enough so that it folds over the cast and gives you enough room to stick it on the outside, having been attached to the nappy top. The width of the extenders is dictated by the width of the nappy. As you can see here, the section of Velcro loop on the outside of the nappy waistband is this wide, and therefore that dictates the width of the extender. The fabric itself is hemmed all the way around. On one side has a strip of loop, and on the other side, on the other end, is a strip of hook. This is replicated exactly on the other one.